Have you thought of starting a painting with soft pastels if you're covering it with acrylic paint later? Let me show you how and why it works. Hi there, I'm Janine. I'm an artist and share my creative journey on this channel. When you start a new painting, that blank canvas is full of possibilities, which also makes it a little scary. I use a lot of layers in my mixed media paintings, so most of the first layer will be painted over eventually. This takes some of the pressure off, but I also want to make the most of it by adding a lot of texture already that can shine through the future layers. A fun and effective way to add that texture right at the beginning is by using soft pastels. I've got a few of these soft pastels here. These are Jackson's Own brand, handmade soft pastels. I really like those. They're nice and soft, but not too crumbly. So I'm going to start with some quite bright colours. Let's use this orange. What's that? It's called light orange. I'm just going to intuitively make marks on here. I'm not really thinking about it. The aim is to just get something on the canvas. One thing I really like to do with soft pastels is to smear them with my finger. And I'll use a different colour. This is really bright pink here. One thing about using soft pastels on a vertical surface is that it creates a lot of dust on the floor. And then I've got, sorry, that pink was Carmine. And then I've got a greenish grey, which actually looks a bit purple, I find. And I think that's already enough for the beginning. I'm then going to put on some medium. It doesn't really matter what kind of medium you use, acrylic medium. I'm using acrylic fluid matte medium, which again, that one's Jackson's Own brand, not sponsored. Maybe they should. I've actually decided to move on to the floor because I'll be much quicker this way. And I'm just going to spread the medium on like that. And then I don't want to preserve any of the lines I've made. I just want to cover the surface. So it's going to now activate that pastel pigment and move it around, which creates a really nice effect. It's very nice and soft. Could have done with a bigger brush actually. The smell of this medium actually reminds me of kids' toothpaste, and I don't know what they put in it, but it didn't used to smell like that when I had it before. If anyone knows, let me know in the comments. And I'm adding this medium not only to create this washed effect. The main reason I'm doing it is to preserve the soft pastel, because it mixes with the medium and then when it dries it stays in place, so you don't have to fix it separately. It's just part of the acrylic layer.
If you like this video, consider subscribing.
Now I've got this really nice soft effect. I'm going to do the same on this canvas with some different colours. Pastels are great for adding that initial texture. I love the way soft pastels glide on the surface and how it smears in unpredictable ways. If you're not a fan of soft pastels, you could try some other materials and tools. For example, you could use a ragged old brush that makes textured marks. Stay clear of oil-based products like oil pastels though, because you should not layer acrylic paint over oils. It won't be able to stick to the surface. How do you like to style painting? Let me know in the comments below. For another way to get rid of that blank canvas, watch the video I've linked in the description. Thanks and bye bye.